Hi there, and welcome to the very first video of my new channel, Home and HappyMess, where I'll be sharing cleaning motivation, inexpensive decor, and DIYs, along with all content relating to being happy at home and embracing the mess. Today's video is a late night speed clean, and I figured I'd start out by showing you my very messy home, kind of give you an overview of what we're dealing with tonight. My home is an open concept on the main level, which I love. I have one bedroom downstairs. We have one bathroom in the entire house. And upstairs we have two bedrooms, which I'm not going to go into tonight, but on a future video, so please subscribe if you love cleaning motivation, because I have plenty of it coming your way. As you can see, it is after 8:30 at night. It is dark. There's my reflection and dirty window. But this is the point of the video where I want to encourage you to grab something that motivates you, whether it be a glass of wine or a nice candle. Unfortunately, my candles are stuffed with things that my daughter puts in there. I have a 3-year-old toddler, which makes life interesting and messy and very full of surprises. So if you're a candle person, you light that candle up, you enjoy that scent. This is a Christmas scent and it's just fall, but you do you, I do me. And my next thing is actually what motivates me. This piece of chocolate, yes. And now we are ready to... Let's do this. Since I have the whole house to clean, it can be pretty overwhelming. But I figured I'd start by throwing in a load of laundry because that is time consuming and I need to make sure that I get, at least some of the laundry done before tonight. Ew, folding, the worst. But hey, we're gonna drink some wine and get the folding done. So that's my first item of this cleaning adventure. I do not currently have a solid cleaning routine. I am working on that this month. So September is all about figuring out how to maintain a clean home, figure out routines, what I do each night of the week so I don't have to deal with a huge mess like this anymore. If you have any routines or things that you do, I'd love to know more about it. So please feel free to share that down in the comments. And once I do figure out a routine, I'm going to share that with you. Hopefully it'll help and we can just all inspire and motivate each other. And I don't know about you, but something that I need to share right off the bat is that cleaning is not something that comes naturally to me. Making a mess comes naturally, but cleaning is just something that, I don't know, I don't love it. I don't enjoy it, but I know that if I just pick up as I go and clean as I go, which that's having a routine come in place, I know it'll make my life just flow so much easier and I won't be up late cleaning when I could be binging Netflix in bed, Since this is a new channel and I'm trying to figure out, what makes most sense, let me know if you like chatty cleaning videos, if you like just calming music, if you like upbeat music, like what style of cleaning motivation motivates you. I am open to all suggestions. I am just testing this out. And for me, like I mentioned, I don't love to clean, but I love to make videos. So I want to make content that is enjoyable to my viewers. And then in return, I'm making videos, which is something that I find to be a creative outlet for me. So I appreciate all feedback. And cleaning the toilet. Love this for me. My house gets messy quick. It is what it is. It's my daughter and I. We are home all the time together right now. Of course, we're in the middle of a pandemic still. And I am actually furloughed from my job for the time being. So I am living my dream of being a stay-at-home mom. And I love being home with my daughter. But I am not a stereotypical stay-at-home mom. I'm not a great cook, I'm not a great cleaner, but I love to have fun and I love to have a happy home environment. And I think that's something that we get down on ourselves about so much is that, we don't have a perfect, pristine, clean home. And I think everyone needs to just focus on yeah, our home's not perfectly clean, but is your home happy? Because that to me is the most important thing, is making sure that everyone who is in your home is happy and loving life, and the messes come and the messes go, and people in your life is really what matters. So that's what Happy Mess is kind of about for me. Happy mess leads to happiness, and I don't know, so tonight's cleaning video is this huge speed clean because it's late at night, and tomorrow I actually have my stepmom coming over, so I needed to get everything done because I just didn't want to appear to be a slob. Even though I'm embracing the mess, I also want people to know that I'm not, a hoarder or living in filth. So yeah, we're cleaning the kitchen now, getting these dishes done. So the laundry is one of those timely tasks, and then the dishwasher needs to run for an hour in my house. So I'm getting these things done and cleaning in between. Quick check-in. So I've got my dishwasher filled, and I just heard the washer go off. So I'm going to put the clothes that are in the washer in the dryer, and then come back to clean my sink. I think the sink is my favorite spot to clean in the house. Like, I don't love grimy, dirty dishes, but I love when they're out of there, and I love just like cleaning this space, like just having an empty sink. It's so refreshing to me because I feel like my sink is always filled with dirty dishes. It's just non-stop, especially since we're always eating every single meal at home right now. So to have an empty sink is such happiness right now. It's the little things. So yeah, I take the time and I make sure this thing is squeaky clean. Okay, so it's almost 10 o'clock. It says it's 9:53. Excuse me, 9:54. So I need to take out the recycling. I need to clear off my countertops. I need to just clean up the shoes. There's not much I can do right now with that. And then I haven't even touched the dining room, living room. So I am literally gonna speed clean and just get this done, because I still need to take a shower, because I was scrubbing on my hands and knees for a second in the bathroom, and I need to shower that off. If only cleaning was as easy as snapping our fingers, huh? So I mentioned the sink being my favorite place to clean. I would say the island, wiping it down, is my second favorite, because this area is so cluttered all the time that I don't get to really wipe it down. I need to work on that. But when it's just smooth and empty, it's just glorious. This area is it's a headache in my house. You make do with what you got. I don't have a mud room, so we kind of place our shoes at the bottom of this. I don't even know what this is. Is it a bookcase? We put all of my daughter's toys in there in the little canvas boxes. But yeah, I need to work on creating a more functional shoe storage in my home. Which, hey, project to come. But now, yeah, I'm going to speed through this clean up here, get my dining room table all clean, and just get all the toys off the floor and get everything so that it's a little bit more presentable for tomorrow morning. I am exhausted. So I'm gonna go hop in the shower. I've hidden my laundry. Well, I gotta fix this curtain. But I'm just gonna finish drying and hiding the laundry in there. And then in the morning, once my vacuum is fully charged, I'm going to vacuum the living room, vacuum like little spots, and just, it is what it is. You know, I have a 3-year-old. We live here. It's not a pristine, immaculate house, and that's okay because it's a happy house. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Here is the final walkthrough of my late night speed clean. I would so appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel since it's brand new, and any feedback, comments, any future videos you'd like to see, please drop those in the comments below. Thanks so much, and I appreciate your support.